Hello friends and dear farmers. Today I will discuss about a very small and special case. One call from the farmer that their cow is suffering from the severe bleeding from the abdomen region. Then I reached there and see that the blood flow was the from milk vein. We can say milk vein is a vein that decide the reflection of the milk production of that cattle or buffalo that supply the blood to the udder. This means there was the rupturing of this vein due to some, we can say, biting of the rodents or any injury. Actually, I have seen that there was a wound of the incisor teeth. So I can say that was the case of the biting of the any rodents or dog. So I have decided to just stop there the flow of the blood because the blood flow was the very high. Actually farmer was holding that flow by the using a, we can say, cloth and put the abdomen region. Then the blood flow was the stop. Then I said to remove that cloth. Then I see was the blood flow was very severe and just like a tap water like blood flow, and it was a half centimeter sizes of the wound. So I have decided to immediate ligate that wound. Then I give a general anesthesia just to sedate that animal and that restrain the animal, lay down the animal. Then I see that was blood flow very fast. So I have decided to use the tissue forceps then to block that blood flow, and then wash with the soap and use the antiseptic. Then I ligate that wound by using the 20 polycolectin coated suture as the horizontal interrupted suturing. 2 and 3 stitches was there. This means the wound was slightly large. So after that, I guided to that owner that if you see that any bleeding from that side, then please inform me because there may be losses of the bleeding so much the animal may be go in any danger. Then I was following that case. After 2 days, owner was said there was no any bleeding. The animal is ready. The treatment was given to that animal. First, I give a analgesic antibiotic and then tranexamic acid, so that the hemostatic point of view that the bleeding was go down slow. And after that, I give a tetanus injection and anti-rabies injection because there was a suspicion of the any rodent biting case. So I have decided to give that 2 injection extra, and another follow-up was given to that animal that you take the complete schedule of the anti-rabies vaccine. After 7 days follow-up, the animal was almost ready. There was no any problem. So we should take care that if there is any bleeding from the any side, we should ligate that side from the both side of that affected part, so blood flow can be stopped, and we can use the any clothes that should be free from any germ. So immediately put that side so that the blood flow will be stopped. So please take care about this type of the case because this is an emergency case and we should take the decision immediately. So please friends and farmers subscribe this channel and share to all your friends. Thanks a lot.